Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you what is the best calorie tracker apps. First is the MyFitnessPal versus Chronometer versus LifeSum versus Yazoo. Let's go with MyFitnessPal. For its pros and cons, pros are user-friendly interface and community support, comprehensive database covering global cuisines. For its cons, free version lacks some premium features like detailed nutrient insights and meal plans. Pricing are free. Premium version costs $19.99 per month or $79.99 a year. It is best for general use and fitness enthusiasts looking for a large food database. Now, for Chronometer. Some of its pros and cons are exceptional. Focus on micronutrients and health metrics. Ideal for people with specific nutritional goals or medical conditions. For its cons, smaller food database compared to MyFitnessPal. Free version is limited. Premium is necessary for advanced features. Pricing. Free. Premium version costs $8.99 per month or $49.99 a year. It is best for detailed nutrient tracking including micronutrients. Next is the LifeSum. Some of its pros and cons are beautiful, intuitive interface focuses on both nutrition and lifestyle changes. For its cons, limited free version rather. Most features are behind a paywall. Database not as extensive as MyFitnessPal. For its pricing, free. Premium version costs $8.99 per month or $44.99 a year. It is best for weight loss and lifestyle-focused users. Lastly is the Yazoo. Pros and cons. Pros are user-friendly interface tailored to beginners. Affordable premium subscription. Cons are limited micronutrient tracking. Free version is basic. Premium is necessary for meal plans and insights. For its pricing, there are free version. Premium version costs $8.99 a month or $39.99 a year. It is best for beginners looking for simple calorie tracking with meal planning. And that's basically it.